In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and a menu to your Wix website. Whether you're starting a new site or enhancing an existing one, these skills will help you create a dynamic and organized user experience. So let's dive right in. The first step is to head to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, you'll see various options on your dashboard. Your task is to look for the Pages and Menu button, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that, and what you'll see is an overview of the existing pages on your site, along with some options for managing them. Next, you'll want to add a new page to your site. You'll do this by clicking on the Add Page option. This action opens up a selection menu asking you to choose the type of page you want to create. For this tutorial, we're going to keep things simple by choosing a blank page. By starting with a blank template, you can tailor the page to your exact needs, giving you a clean slate to work from. After selecting a blank page, you'll be prompted to give your new page a name. This is an important step because the name you choose will help visitors navigate your site. Make sure it's descriptive and aligns with the content you'll be placing there. Once you've entered a suitable name, it's time to move forward by clicking the Done button. Congratulations, you've just added a new page. But of course, there's more to do. Select the page you just added by clicking on its name in your list of pages. Then, look for the Add Menu Item option. Adding a menu item is crucial because it enables your visitors to easily find the new page from any part of your website. When you click Add Menu Item, you're essentially creating a link to this new page within your site's navigation menu, making it readily accessible to anyone browsing your site. Now, a new window will prompt you to choose a menu item that corresponds to the page you've created. This is where you decide how the menu will label this page for your users. Then you'll be asked what you want the menu item to link to. This step offers a variety of linking options, such as internal pages, external URLs, or even document downloads. For our purpose, let's link it to the page you've just created. Once you've set your link, click Done. You'll then be required to type in a name for this menu, which acts as the visible label in your site's navigation bar. Again, clarity and conciseness make a difference, so pick a name that accurately reflects the page's purpose. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking Done. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page and a linked menu item to your Wix website. With these tools, you're on your way to creating a more navigable and user-friendly site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.